Hey guys, it's Rick. Listen, I just forgot everything I was gonna say. Hey guys, it's Rick. Rick does stuff. Today I'm doing a extra little video. It's not a weekly update. Gonna go through some food packing for the kayaking trip that Casey and I are going on next week. So we'll go over some food and how I pack the food. I don't know, maybe you want to see this. I don't know. Alright, so first this trip is going to be a 2-day or 3-day trip. We're leaving out on Thursday afternoon. We'll get out there. So this is my, I don't know, pad thai chicken. It's just a freeze-dried meal that I'll have that night. And then the next morning, I got a Pop-Tart for breakfast, which is kind of a good staple of hiking food for breakfast. And then next is lunch. This is like a dark chocolate almond butter. I don't really like chocolate, but dark chocolate's okay, and it gives a little variety. So there's this reusable bag here. There it is. It's a reusable bag, so I don't use a ton of Ziplocs. I'm going to put a couple tortillas in there. You put the chocolate or the almond butter on the tortilla, and then you can put a little bit of honey on there. Keep a little thing of honey that I can put on there, and that's a nice little meal. And then a little granola bar. That's lunch. I like to keep about 600 calories of snacks, because when you're hiking and stuff, or in this case kayaking, we'll be doing a lot of calorie consumption, so we'll be needing some more calories. This is just some stuff. I love these Nature's Bakery bars. If you don't like figs, you probably won't like them, but Fig Newtons are delicious, and these are like gourmet Fig Newtons. Then chicken and dumplings for dinner. I don't plan it out this good. Like, it's never laid out like this. I always have it just like, I visualize kind of this, think about what meals I'm going to have, and then I huck it all in my bag. So this is never how I lay it out. So these are interchangeable. This is just thinking, not necessarily as what I'm going to have each day and each meal, but more just like making sure I have something for each thing. Almonds, I'll put some of those in a reusable bag and have those for little snacky snacks too, because I love almonds. We got these Nature Bakery bars for breakfast. Then another, I don't know, nut butter roll up and a granola bar for lunch. I kind of like doing that. It feels a little bit more ritual than like having a snack, but it doesn't take, like, you don't have to break out the stove and cook and everything. More snacks down here. So then anyway, I have this Mountain House spaghetti, by far like one of the most mediocre Mountain House meals, but I get them at Sierra Trading Post for a lot less than like $10 that they normally cost. And then the next day, I'm going to take half of that out and put it in a reusable bag, because it's 780 calories for the whole package. 390 for like half of it, which is about what I need for breakfast to get going in the morning, because we'll probably have breakfast on the third day and then paddle to where we're going to get in the car and leave. So that's basically the whole food setup. I probably won't end up eating all of this, but I like to bring kind of a general idea of how much food I'll need, and then I probably won't eat it all, and I'll have a big cheeseburger on my way home after the trip. And then I use me 2 of these smart water bottles, and then a foldable water bottle too. But that's what's on the menu for this next weekend when we go on the trip.